with it too. Right?
Okay, it's recording now.
Oh, I'm being on the movies.
Yeah.
Good.
For capturing still photos, hold the camera steady and press the shutter button on top of the camera.
Okay, that'd be that right there.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Jenny. Happy birthday, Dale.
Well, thank you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. Hey, you're not recording, are you?
Yeah.
We're in the movies now. We're in the movies now. We're in the movies. We're in the movies. We're in the movies now.
I can't wait for you to see this. I figured out how to put this on Facebook too, Les.
No. I don't want to be on Facebook. I want to be on the big screen, the Hollywood screen. And I didn't say scream.
The camera and application are compatible on PC with Pentium processor 4 or above. Pentium 4 or above.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
You can put it on the computer. You have Pentium 4 or above?
I better.
Running Windows XP or Vista and Macintosh with Intel processors running Mac OS something or later. Cool, Jenny.
That's a pretty nice present, Dale. You know what they gave me on my after 20 years in schools?
What was that?
Nothing.
Oh.
Yeah.
After 25 years, I think they gave me a damn apple.
An apple?
You taking a picture of me, Jenny?
I'm videoing. Is there any kind of anything blinking or?
No, but I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that are shining.
Oh, that's just the labels on the side.
No, I don't see anything blinking.